nobody talks about how lonely self-improvement can get. Akala ng marami pag nag-decide kang ayusin yung buhay mo, magiging masaya na agad lahat. Pero minsan mas nagiging tahimik, mas lonely. Kasi habang nagbabago ka, meron ka mga bagay na iniiwan. The habits, the comfort, the people, at hindi lahat sasabay sa growth mo. May mga pagkakataon na ikaw lang mag-isa kasi ikaw lang ang nakakaintindi kung bakit kailangan mong gawin yung mga ginagawa mo. And that's hard. Pero normal yan. Kasi hindi lahat ng ginagawa mo dapat nag-aantay ka ng palakpak. Nag-aantay ka ng may babate. You just have to keep showing up with or without applause. And one day, believe me, those lonely mornings, hard decisions, and silent sacrifices, they will all make sense. Because this person you're becoming, this person is worth every uncomfortable step by